So, good day everyone. I am Dave Adlawan from Billsite TNS 3A. So, ang topic naman natin ngayon is media platform. So, ano nga bang media platform? It is a digital service, website, or method designed to deliver various forms of media content to an audience, facilitating engagement, interaction, and sharing among users. Yan, more on ano to, yung mga datas ng user na sinishare over the internet. And these platforms encompass a wide range of the outlets, including social networking sites, microblogging platforms, photo sharing apps, video streaming services, and traditional media outlets like newspaper and television networks. Yan, ayun yung media platform. Mga informative ano siya. Yan. Significance in the digital age. Kung ano nga ba yung ano ng media platform. In the digital age, media platform play a crucial role in shaping public discourse, yung influencing consumer behavior and driving social and political movements. Yan, yung mga tools na yun. They provide a space for individuals to express themselves. Yan, tulad ng mga iba't ibang social media sites. Yan. Share their perspectives and participate in online communities. Yan. Media platform also enable business to reach wider audience. Yan. Halata naman sa yung mga ads na nakikita natin. Yan. Promote their products or services and gather valuable data for marketing and decision-making purposes. Yan, like, mga platform example, yan, mga social media platforms is yung Facebook, largest media platform with over 2.8 billion monthly active users. Yan, sobrang dami. Every month, 2 billion yung pinaka-average na magti 3 billion yung pinaka-average users nila. Laging online. Yan, key features include yan, newsfeed, profiles group, yan, may messaging na nga rin sa mismong ano nila, mismong web app naka-integrate na dun. Yan. Instagram naman, popular photo video sharing platform with over 1 billion monthly active users naman siya. Yan, including dito yung mga post, stories, reels, and IGTV. Next is Twitter. For microblogging naman siya. So mas marami siya ay hindi 330 million monthly active users naman siya. Key features include tweets, retweets, hashtags, and trending topics. Next is LinkedIn, more on pang-professional networking platform. Yan. Include dito yung job posting, professional content, yun. Other platforms naman include content sharing platform. Allow users to store, share various media formats including videos, images, and audio. And example dito yung mga YouTube, Vimeo, SoundCloud. Yan. Yung mga publicly available na mga content sharing. Next is video streaming platform. Provide access to video content on demand, allowing users to watch movies, TV shows, and other video-based entertainment. Yan, kasama dito yung YouTube since meron na din silang nakafocus yung sa mga movies. Yan, LinkedIn, yan, at marami pang iba. News and information platform. Aggregate and disseminate news, articles, report, and other forms of media, keeping users informed about current events. Yan, may mga CNN yun, mga iba pang digital or information platform online. Next is the educational platform. Ito naman yung mga nagbibigay ng resources na pwedeng gamitin ng mga gusto mag-aral. Yan. Providing access to courses, lectures, and other educational resources. Example dito yung mga sikat nga or mga kilala is Coursera, yan, Udemy, yan, Moodle. So, yun lang para sa media platform.